Greetings, grill tubers. Coyote Jack here. Welcome to Coyote Jack Smoke Pit. This is the tour video. Let's go. This is the pit. Usually there's chairs here, but we took the chairs out because, walk around. Anyway, come on. This is Chester's chair. This is my new garden that I'm trying to work on. I never grow plants, so I'm trying to learn as I'm going. I'm gonna build a little terrarium here, maybe a little mini graveyard or something cool. I don't know. But anyway, this is all the wine bottles that I've collected over the past 2 days. I put them in. There's decoration. Fan for the summertime. My little message board for whenever we're celebrating something cool. And this is the chalk over here for when we are doing that. Over here we've got safety first, because you gotta have it. Bottle opener, little catcher, temperature, little security light for, cats from the neighborhood like to come here. Anyway, up here are all the little flags of all the countries that I've been to. My little collection of flags. Here's one of the first grills I ever got, which is a gas grill, and I just cleaned it all up. It's all pretty. And then over here is the flat iron griddle. This is what we use for breakfast: pancakes, eggs, bacons, onions, potatoes, just friggin' everything. This is my charcoal grill, and it used to have the side firebox here, and I used to use it as a smoker and a grill, but I took the side firebox out, put that in here, and I made the side firebox into a portable grill with its own measuring thing, cleaned that up, and that's ready to go, so I can just take this anywhere. I put the legs on it and everything, and then now this is just strictly my charcoal grill, which is also cleaned up, and I'm about to season it again because I just cleaned it. This owl is here because I have to put it somewhere. I don't know where to put it yet. I got some logs here, some flavor and smoking things, some toys and fake stuff. And then my license plate, my Cigar Wolves plaque, my official station plaque. Follow Cigar Wolves on Instagram. It's our smoking group, cigar smoking group. And then this right here, the Roman Potpourri, my art print by Das Frank. I have one inside. You saw me open it in the season 1, and I actually made this to be for outside, so it looks cool and gritty. There's something missing there. I don't know what I'm gonna put there yet. And then we come over here. This is my basically like all the utensils and everything that I have for cooking everything, and measuring cups and forks and knives and just everything. It's just a full functioning kitchen. This has got lock here, plates and cutting boards and miscellaneous and knives and sharpening instruments and all that stuff. Fridge with my sticker collection, sticker swap. Send me a sticker, I'll send you one. You'll get one of these. Over here is the TV with karaoke and surround sound. This is my collection of weird stuff. These are clay pots from Peru that my brother and my sister-in-law gave to me. And then these are basically just weird, random, lost things that the kids have found in hikes in the desert and junk like that. The spices. And it's divided by chicken and pork and fish and meats and steaks and salts and weird stuff like that. I get to know what it is. But it's all gluten-free. It's all been done. Oh yeah. And this is now the smoker. So I used to, like I said, I used to use the other one for charcoal and smoker. Now that's the charcoal grill and this is the smoker. But I sometimes use this as a charcoal grill too. So this is officially the smoker. It's the Competition Pro, and it's got all of my modifications that I did on it. Back here is what we call a barril, a barrel, a cylinder smoker. It's all dusty and stuff. But this, my dad brought from Peru, and basically it has hooks in there so you can hang all your meat and you put the fire inside and you cook with it. So it's really, really cool. And it was all handmade. Then I have my can here where I keep my charcoal, all my B&B stuff, all my beautifulness. And some more B&B woods and post oak and hickory and all that good stuff. My ash bucket. And then in this drawer we have gloves and aprons and butcher paper and saran wrap and some more tools. And then down here and then this is my collection of oils and all of my hot sauces and molasses and barbecue sauces and spices and everything. So just more stuff. And this drawer has like my meat thermometers and glovesies and just miscellaneous like tools, remote controls for the TV and my markers and pens. And here is like napkins and paper towels, paper plates and cups and all that other good stuff. And then this, I made this. Look how cool that is. Look at that. That's basically where the trash can is, the trash hole.
Chester's house.
Chester's house. And then all the cleaning supplies and random towels and sprays and all that stuff. And then we have our sink. We also have paper towel, and we have our ice bucket, our coffee maker, hot plate, so we can do all that stuff, and dishwashing and charging station and everything else. So that's the pit. I hope you guys liked it. We built it all. If you want to see pictures of the constructions behind the scenes, how we build everything, it's all on Instagram at Coyote Jack Smoke Pit, and just go to the bottom and see all the pictures. And you know, it's always changing. It's like Disneyland here. I'm always adding more stuff and putting stuff up. So that's it. I'm hungry now, so I'm gonna go cook. Hope you liked it. Signing off.